Hi, another important component of on-page SEO is to make sure that your content has information gain. Information gain means that your content must provide information to the user. Aligning with user intent is enough, but then you have to provide information that no one else does. To achieve this, you have to make sure that your content should be unique. But you might be wondering that whatever I write, it's already there on some pages. To overcome this problem, you should add something new. Let's say I'm making this content. So I make to sure that my content is not available to other pages. I have to bring something new to it. Then it should be helpful. If your content is not helpful, it does not matter either you write 10,000 words or 20,000 words. Your content is useless. It should provide information and it should be helpful. Otherwise, your website will derank. Then your website should contain original content. If your content is not original, it is fabricated, copied, or AI generated, it will definitely bring your website down. It does not matter that 99% of your website is either original or fake. Your one piece of content that is not original might harm your website. In June 2022, Google launched update which contains helpful content update, and they said that you should produce content that is helpful, unique, and something new. And they make sure that whatever you post is only indexed if it is by the people for the people. So make sure that your content must provides value. Follow for more videos.